Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your very own modern house. I have also designed the interior for you, which I'll be showing you at the end of the video. Here are all of the materials that you will need to make your house. Please do make sure that you have access to all those materials and enough of them as well. So now that we have all of our stuff, we can get started. The first thing that we are going to do is start off with a row of 5 grey concrete going right on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'd also recommend looking down at the ground like this. Take the 5th block and extend up 1, right, up, right, and then up by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go left 1, up, left, up, and then left by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down, left, down by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, down, right. So you want to end up with this circular shape. We want to attach a smaller circle to this using white concrete. You can see on the ground where this begins, but if you come to the front of your build, all the way over to the right hand side, go left 1, and then place 2 white concrete in front of this block, 1, 2, and then go right 1, towards you, right by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, and then right 1, and then back by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, up, left. So you can see that we have a slightly smaller circle attached to our larger circle. The larger circle has to be taller. It's actually going to be 6 rows high in total. We already have 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want to raise up every single one, and I do mean every single one of the grey concretes. Even the blocks that you wouldn't necessarily from the outside see, so the grey blocks on the corners where they connect diagonally, you wouldn't typically really have to extend them upwards, but I think that actually does a good job if you do extend them upwards on maintaining a nice interior shape. So we are going to extend them up. Do feel free also, whilst it might throw off the look of the build a little bit, do feel free to make it a bit taller if you do like. Like I say, it won't look exactly like it's supposed to, but it probably will look alright if you keep things in proportion. So if you do make things a little bit taller just to give yourself a tad bit more room, then you're welcome to do so. We're going to take the white concrete area and add 2 rows on top of it, so 1, 2 all the way around. Once again, it's not necessary to extend the inward blocks upwards, so like for instance, just to give you a bit of a for instance, like you wouldn't really have to extend these up, would you, to see them from the outside, but I do think that it adds a little something to the inside. There we go. We're going to place a light blue stained glass completely above all of the empty space that we have. So above all this empty space, light blue glass block like this. Then we're going to do the same just up above here, and these are going to be the roofs. If for some reason you are against having a glass roof, well, honestly, I can't really do much for you, because the thing is, the roof does look a lot better with the glass. So I mean, you could use perhaps the grey concrete again and place it in the same position as you did the glass, but it wouldn't look quite as good. For this reason, the white concrete area, we are going to place oak slabs around the top of the light blue glass. The grey concrete area, we are going to place smooth quartz slabs around the top. Now, it would seem as though it's actually been fixed with bedrock with the never update, but if your quartz blocks or quartz slabs don't connect together smoothly like this, even if you use the smooth ones, which they didn't used to, I guess literally, I'm recording this the day of the update, it seems as though they fixed it. It used to be that quartz slabs, even if you used the smooth quartz, didn't actually connect together smoothly. You'd always have the lines no matter what, but now it's fixed. So I guess you can use the smooth quartz slabs and get the same effect as you would on Java. That's great. So the next thing that we're going to do, so specifically use smooth quartz slabs is what I'm getting at. So the next thing that we're supposed to do is we have to add a window to the grey concrete area here where the house joins to the white concrete area. It's going to be a large window and it's going to be 2 blocks wide right here, literally just in between the white concrete and the edge of the wall, and the window wants to almost be as high as the grey concrete area. It's just going to stop 1 row short of the top, like this. In addition to this, we have to add a doorway. The doorway is going to be where the white concrete area is. So the door is going to be right here, not on the left, just to the right of it, so we have a rose gap, and then we can stick an oak door which matches the oak roof. We're going to leave a gap of 1 between the door, and then just on the right here we're going to have a little window. You can add more windows anywhere, really. Like if you want, you can add more windows to the sides wherever you might feel. You could even add like an opposite and yet equal window on the back of the build, so kind of like this is in the opposite space as it is on the front, if you can imagine. You could add one on the side. You can do whatever you like with the build, but ultimately this is the base of our build complete. I'd also recommend adding a little bit of leaf. I like jungle leaf quite a bit because I feel as though it's the nicest and brightest. If you add it kind of like all the way around the edge of the build, kind of like this, leaving a gap open, and I'll show you because I think it's easier to show rather than tell. Like if you leave a little bit of a gap, like place leaves kind of starting just right of the window here, it goes all the way around the edge and then it kind of stops on the left of the window that we have over there. I think that that's a really good look. Very, very simple modern house. I hope that you guys have liked making this. The only thing that we have to do now is decorate the inside, which I'm going to do off recording, and then we can take a look at the house once it's completely finished. So this is what our house looks like now that it has been 100% fully completed. As you can see, not really much has changed with the outside, except for the fact that we can now see the inside through the windows. So we're going to go into the house and see what we have. So it's been decorated in a survival style, as this is, I think, a feasible build for survival. It's a very small amount of materials. We have lots of storage in the lobby area. We have all sorts of smelting. We have furnaces. We have a place to store our armor. We have a repair station. We have more storage. In the central part of the house, the larger part of the house, we have an enchantment library. We have all of the crafting implements that we could need. We even have a brand new Nether related plant that I haven't even learned the name of yet. I've literally just used it right now when we have a brand new suit of armor right here in the corner. We can go up onto the second story and we have a brewing station, we have more furnaces, and we also have a little bed as well. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please do remember to hit that like button, as it really helps me in the channel out very much. If you're new around here, subscribe, click that little bell next to the subscription button. That'll ensure that you get all my videos sent directly to your sub box. And if you want to make anything else by me, check out the card system description below in the top of the comment section for more. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.